There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're brand new here. Today's video is packed with cleaning motivation to help you get your day started in the best possible way. So do go ahead and subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So the first things I needed to get done on this day was put a wash load in and get the dishes all put away. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of washing up to do. I did make sure that I did most of it the night before, so I've just got a few cups and glasses and stuff left. But I'm trying to wash up from dinner as soon as we've had dinner and not let it build up, because it just started to get really on top of me at one point and I hated coming down in the morning to all that mess. So I'm definitely keeping on top of it a lot more than I was. So I'm just going to go ahead and do these few bits and get them put away so I can clean the rest of the kitchen.
Summer's just around the bend, and my bottle's empty once again, and my feet's burning on the roads we used to walk, where the rivers walked along with us. There's a storm coming, I am ready for the cold. I'll be better when the summer's gone. Now the wind's blowing, and I'm right back here again. It might take a while, but I understand that I keep thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual.
So I just wanted to go in and give the fridge a quick wipe over before we do a food shop. I thought it would be the best time whilst it's half empty, so I just want to organise it a little bit better, because it actually looks a lot fuller than it actually is, just because it's a complete mess. So I want to go in and sort it out before we do a food shop, just so once we've done the shop it's all ready to be put away and it's all nice and clean.
Is all I know.
I reach out and touch the sky in the city of angels. Feels like I'm coming home with my head up in the clouds. I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping, 'cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as 𝚂𝙾𝙼 in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
Now it's been tidied up and organised, you can see just how bare this fridge actually is. There's like no food in it, so we do desperately need to go shopping. But I'm really glad that I sorted that out today, because it just makes it so much easier when we come back with all the shopping. It's just so much easier to put it away. So now the kitchen's done, I need to head up and sort the washing out so I can get that drying ready to iron and put it away the next day.
Go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
So I can't put it off any longer. It's time to sort out 𝚂𝙾𝙼𝙴's litter tray. I think I've left it a little bit too long this time, so it definitely needs doing, and I just thought I'd get that done and out the way before I move in to the front room and give that a good clean, because I know by the time I've finished everything I'm just going to want to sit down and relax, and this will just be left for another day. So I wanted to get this out the way and done before moving on to the rest of the house. So once I had all that done, I did want to head through into the front room, and the first thing I wanted to get done was 𝚂𝙾𝙼𝙀's toys, because he did chew a big hole in his toy basket the night before. So I just want to get rid of all of the little bits and pieces that will just fall through and just keep his main toys, just to tidy it up a bit, so when we do just tip all his toys out, there's not just a bunch of little rubbish and things on the floor, and it's just nice big pieces for him to actually play with. And then once I've done that, I can go around and sort out the rest of the room, getting it a lot more put together and ready for the day. So once I had everything hoovered up, I really thought I was done for the day. I was ready to make a coffee and put my feet up, and then I remembered that I hadn't even made the bed this morning, so had to run upstairs and quickly sort the bedroom out, sorting out all of the washing on the floor, seeing what needed to be put away and what needed washing, and just neating it up ready for this evening. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, then do go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on